How do you get that higher? You're good, you did the ollie, you nailed it. You guys are just learning how to ride a skateboard and you want to learn how to ollie. I get it, I'm gonna teach you not only how to ollie, but I'm gonna teach you also how to ollie higher. This is the ultimate how to ollie tutorial. Before you even try to learn how to do an ollie, you must learn how to ride your skateboard. This is really, really important. The fundamentals of just being on your board and pushing and riding around are vital. Because when you learn how to ollie, you're moving your feet in certain positions, and it's much more difficult than learning how to ride. That rock bottom foundation of riding is vital. That's why I developed the belt system. You have all of the white belt and the yellow belt coming before the ollie. Okay, so let's get into the ollie, starting with the foot position. Okay, front foot here, just down from those front bolts, and then your back foot is on the ball of your feet. So when you learn how to ride, one thing that you're gonna learn that's very important if you're learning correctly is you're basically always moving off of the ball of your foot, which is right there. So your foot is there and it's in the middle of the board. You might be like, oh, but my heel is hanging off. That's okay, because your center of balance is basically coming from the ball of your foot all the way up to the top of your body. So right there, your ankle's bent, your knees bent, you're bent at the hips, and there you have a good position to be able to control that board. That's vital for not only riding, but also for the ollie, obviously. So we're gonna take this one step at a time. The first motion that you have to understand is that you are actually jumping up off the board. The board is your platform, you are actually jumping up off of that. And then like in the back foot, it's similar to like dribbling a basketball like that. So your back foot is going down and it's hitting the tail on the ground. Notice that my back foot isn't pushing down and jumping off the ground. It's very important to understand. A lot of beginning skateboarders get this wrong. And what happens is they're literally stopping their ollie from occurring because they're holding it down with their back foot. And the board literally goes like this. And they're literally holding it down. So it's important to understand it's like this. You can even take your board in your hands like this, front hand there, and just literally go like this. Right? That's how the motion works. And then you do that with your foot. And then we're gonna do it just with the board like this. Take your back foot. You're just popping it. One part of learning how to skateboard is understanding what's happening, and the other part is actually putting it together with your feet and being able to do it. So I'd like to give you the series of steps so that you can practice and learn how that's done. Great, now your front foot is gonna be right there. So watch this, watch what happens. If I have my front foot here in my hand, look, I can literally bring the skateboard up into the air just by that. I don't have to put my foot forward. You see how that occurs? So by literally just lifting my front leg up into the air, not even doing the drag step, not even doing this practice step, just lifting. Look at that. I'm getting the lift into the air. It's okay, you ready? Your first ollie is probably going to be like that, but that is not where you want to head with your ollie. You actually want to take it from this into this. You want to get there. In order to get there, you have to drag your foot up, you have to push it forward, but you can learn how to ollie just like that. Just by bending your knee up into the air like that, you can learn it. Different people teach this in different ways. Some people say focus on your knee, and if you focus on your knee pushing forward, you're gonna get that motion and you're gonna understand how that motion works better and you'll get it, right? However it communicates best to you, it doesn't matter. If this knee is going forward like that, you often see like skateboarders doing these tricks, and this is the motion. It's also a very unnatural motion with your foot. So this is my kick flip, this is my ollie section. So the actual foot drags from here up there. That's the ollie section like that. So notice my foot is flat on the board, then it goes 90-degree angle, then up the board. And my knee, if you focus on my knee, it's going straight up and out, like that. But in a beginning skater ollie, it's not even really doing that. It's just literally almost like going up into the air, right? Just lifting up. A good thing that you can do as a beginning skateboarder is to put your camera up on a little tripod and film yourself doing this. Because if you're on the board, you're up high, your angle's high. And if you just go like that, you're very often going to miss the fact that all 4 wheels left the ground. The second all 4 wheels leave the ground, you're good, you did the ollie, you nailed it. Right? Now you want to take it from this to that, up into the air. Does that make sense? So go here, and then you're gonna do step 1 and then step 2. Step 1. Now that you understand it, we're gonna practice all these steps to drill it in. This is step 1. You're gonna repeat this. Now this is step 2. There is a drag, but again, like I said before, you can get your ollie up into the air by just lifting your foot up, and it's important to understand that, because you can go like this, right? When you wanted to learn how to ollie, and when you thought to yourself, I want to learn how to ollie, I bet you wanted it to look something more like this. It's like a lot different, that to this. So, what's the difference there? The difference is my back foot pops down, my front foot goes not only up, but then it pushes the board forward, causing the back to come up into the air. The actual physical motions are like that. Bada boom, bada bing, right? Up, forward, into the air. Up, forward, into the air. That's very important. Now, if you have your ollie like this, and you're getting it up leveled, and you drop down, how do you get that higher? Well, that's a great question. I'm going to show you. You're actually going to take your front foot from here and put it there, because this gives you more ability to drag that foot up. You literally doubled the amount of space. From here, you only have that amount of space. But you're going to take it down to here, and look, you literally doubled your real estate on the board. So what's that going to allow you to do? It's going to allow you to go higher. See? I got you. So we have sort of 3 steps of the ollie here, 3 variations. Beginner ollie, just like regular ollie. And then we're gonna like really put that front foot back down the board, higher ollie. It's funny also, how to ollie while moving is like a whole nother video. It's like a whole nother tutorial. But for me, doing all of these tricks, it's actually easier to do them moving. But as a beginning skateboarder, I don't recommend that. I recommend you learn it standing still. In fact, put your back wheels into a crack and just get the motions down. This is gonna take a lot of practice. It's not something you're gonna get overnight, but I'm gonna show you rolling, how all of these look rolling now. Okay, beginner ollie. On that one, I'm just lifting my foot up. I'm not pushing it forward at all. Now we'll do like just regular ollie. And now I'll do like ollie higher. Skateboarding is so fun, and there are so many things to learn, but you have got to learn the tricks in the correct order. White belt, yellow belt, and then move on to the ollie. There's all these things that I've set up for you to be able to practice so that you can progress every single day. And I think where skateboarding gets really, really fun is you learn how to just go on your board and ride everywhere. You can ollie up the curb, you can go off the curb, you can ride to your school, to the store, wherever you want. You can just keep on pushing and roll wherever you like to go. So I hope you guys are having a blast learning how to ride a skateboard. I will personally teach you skateboarding as part of the Braille Skateboarding Academy. We're teaching people all over the world. It's very, very fun. We got a great group of people in there. So sign up and I'll see you in there. Hope you guys have fun learning how to ride a skateboard. I'll see you in the next video.